There's purpose even in the shame he had on that cross. That you will not be ashamed one day when you stand before God. Jesus writes to the church in Revelation, Laodicea, he warns them, see, this was a church who had a lot of money. And even today, it's so easy for you if you've come into the money, you've got a nice house, nice cars, nice retirement annuities. It's so easy for you to think you no longer need Jesus. And Jesus tells us, church, you don't know how miserable you are. You don't understand that you're wretched and miserable, poor, blind, and naked. And then he advises them, Revelation 3:18. He says, and buy from me white garments, so that you may clothe yourself and the shame of your nakedness not be revealed. And Christ was shamed on that cross. He died for your sins, that your sin may be laid on him, and that his perfect righteousness may come and cover your nakedness. And your shame may not be seen before God.